Which one? There's like a million. Hey, all you cool crabs and crustaceans out there. I come to pick a shower head. We were sold on this one. Looks pretty cool. You can get your ass and your back at the same time. But it doesn't have a handheld. So now we're back to the side.
Hi. What you doing?
On the phone. Oh,
well, I
there's
like
so
that
many.
one, but it doesn't have a handheld.
Oh yeah.
Well, I like those ones.
Look at toilet seats. I'm always into a new toilet seat. Nice and wood. I haven't seen them since like the 70s. Need shag rug to go with that. The wife's on the phone now with her sister, so I might as well walk away a little because you know what that's like. Hi guys, look at me. Out on an adventure to the old Triangle store. They don't like you to film in here, but wouldn't ever listen to rules. Look, it's empty as shit. Triangle potato. Huh? You ready? I just got waved. I didn't get fingered, I got waved.
Oh. 2 shower seats, and one of them comes off.
Sold on that one?
Yeah, but it's like $129.
$129.
Yeah, I suppose. It looks nice too. Okay, one sec. Okay, well let me know if you figure something out.
Just told the wife I wanted a jacket like that the other day with the boat on back
Well,
too.
not really late. Like we're
I'll
only
have to
going
show
here
her
to
the video.
Walmart and get to eat. But I don't know if we're gonna have to wait for a table or not.
Yeah. Well, I just thought I'd like to see what's up here.
Okay,
We're going to another
cool.
store next. I'll take you there too. Man, people
Yeah,
look
what
at
are
you
you
weird
guys
in your
doing
video.
this weekend?
I'll get used to it.
Are you gonna have a couple drinks or anything? No, I was gonna say we'll stop and visit for a bit and have a couple drinks if you wanted. Okay, sounds good. Alright, bye.
Why? You like that one?
Do you like this one?
It's got a
But
handheld.
will it go both in? Like, will it both?
Oh yeah, that'll work. Just got the one thing.
But will it go both at the same time? Or, yeah, we use separately or together?
We can have 3 douches in one. Is that what that says? Is that a douche? A douche. A douche
Showers
hash.
and douches.
Yeah.
Douches.
Douche. Look at all the
Okay,
dishes.
I'm sold.
Alright, sold.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah. How's it going? Good.
So that's it here?
I think so. That's all I wanted.
Okay. Look at that clout getting recognized in places and stuff. Definitely my YouTube fame. Definitely. Where are we going? Self-checkout or?
We always mess up on this one.
That's what I was thinking.
Yes, we are.
See that guy's jacket? I got it on.
Oh, going
Yes.
close.
I see.
Please scan your first item and place it in the bag.
Oh, that's when I have.
That guy had a
Please
jacket.
place
like
the
that
item
on.
in the...
You got your debit?
Oh yeah.
I don't.
Scan your Triangle Rewards mobile app card or key fob. Do you have any coupons? Select your method of payment from the choices shown. Insert, swipe, or tap your card and follow the instructions on the PIN pad to complete the transaction.
You're gonna do it right? Come on.
I messed up your.
Why?
Because I pressed savings, not check-ins. Okay, thanks.
I didn't even catch
Select
the
your method
code.
of payment
Perfect,
from the
thanks.
choices
You want me to do it?
Insert, swipe, or tap your card and follow the instructions on the pin pad to complete the transaction.
And messing stuff up and all here.
Every single time.
Follow the instructions on the card reader. Please remove your bag and take your receipt.
Got it?
Ready?
Awesome.
Thank you for shopping.
Thanks. We got our shower head. Now we're headed to the Walmart. Let's see what we can do in there. Buses.